So right here I have the Moolan S1 cordless. It's a pool cleaner. Look at, no hose, nothing. So this is great for flat level pools. It can't climb walls. So that's why I do have this brush. I'm gonna make sure and hit the sides, and then this will just continue to go along the bottom and suck everything up. So before I put it in, I wanna make sure it's fully charged, and then make sure that these clasps are all tight, facing the right direction. I got the wheels set to the right mode. And I want to make sure that the battery charger cover is on. All right, it's ready to go. So to start it up, you just power it on. You'll hear it beep. And then you need to submerge it in water. Make sure all the air bubbles are out. And it should start in about 30 seconds. So while I'm waiting for it to start, I'm gonna start scrubbing the walls. Alright, so it was just beeping, and I just held the power button down to turn it off. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside. It's been cleaning for over 2 hours. Oh wow, look at all that. And my pool looked really clean before I even put this in there. I still managed to pick all that gunk up. All right, I'm happy to see that. So I'm gonna charge this sucker back up, get it ready for the next time. I may put some plastic bumpers like on the front of this, as it tends to like sometimes bang into the sidewall right here. It did really well climbing up the walls, like it got up a foot or two. And the thing is even like my other pool vac, like it cannot climb the walls completely. It doesn't get everything off the walls. You still need to scrub it and push it towards the bottom. So if you're looking at one of these that can climb, I don't really recommend that, but you know, you do you, whatever you want to do. So while I got it here, let's look at the construction. So get all that crap out, wash it out with a hose, wash the filter. I have this set, since I have a round oval pool, I have this set to maximum mobility. And if you look at the instructions, it'll show you what you need to do depending on what kind of pool you have. If you have a square or rectangle or an oval, rather bean shape like mine, you need the maximum mobility. But this thing is really nice. I'll tell you what. There's the wiring. I mean, it just feels solid. It just seems like it's really well built, and it was cruising down when it was picking this stuff up. Let's take a look at the pool. Cannot get like stuff off the top, just so you know. But if you look at the floor of the pool, it's spotless. Wow. There is not a single thing on the floor of the pool. So it was running, it ran the full 140 minutes. This is the Moolan, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, S1. Anyways, I'm gonna wash this out, charge it up, get it ready for the next time. If you guys want to see more reviews, please subscribe to my channel. And you guys stay right out there. I know this isn't what I normally review, but if somebody sends me something, you know, I'm gonna review it. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching.